How to recover Telegram chat history. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me guide it through quick and easy on how you can restore Telegram chat history. Well, Telegram itself is a cloud-based messaging app, so it doesn't directly offer a way to restore deleted chats. However, you can try a few methods to potentially recover them. The first is to undo delete feature. Now, if you are texting someone and you mistakenly unsend the text, then for a short moment you should be able to find the option to undo that deletion, so you can undo it. The second is the saved messages and archived chats. If you have saved specific messages, they might be located in your saved messages or archived chats section. You can check these sections within the Telegram app. If you have enabled cloud backups on your phone like Google Drive or iCloud, you may be able to restore previous versions of your data, including Telegram messages, if you have an available backup only. Some third-party recovery tools for Android or iOS can scan your phone's internal storage for deleted data, including Telegram messages, but their success rate varies upon the deletion time. If your entire Telegram account was deleted, you can try to recover it through the Recover Telegram Account option on the Telegram website. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe as well.